Balls. So this time I'm doing something simple. I'm actually redoing my mozzarella stuffed meatballs recipe because I wanted to try those meatballs again. But unfortunately, this time the store was missing the fresh mozzarella, and it was missing pretty much all the tomato sauce and tomato paste. Why? I have no idea. So instead, I'm substituting in the Hunt's seasoned tomatoes and sauce. I'm gonna cook those up a little bit to kind of thicken it. That way we can sort of get some tomato paste in there. And I'm also using smoked gouda and gruyere cheese instead of Parmesan and mozzarella. So these will turn into smoked gouda stuffed meatballs. But other than that, everything is about the same. I'm doubling up on the meat and the sauce this time, just like I suggested in the last one, because I just want all of these balls. Anyway, I don't really need to show you how to cut up or put all this together because I pretty much did that the first time. So at this point, I'm just gonna skip ahead to the good part. And here we have it. All of our meatballs and sauce ready to be thrown in. You can see I got some extra cheese there, so I'm gonna throw that in a little bit later too, just like I did last time. Also this time, I decided to throw in some Cajun seasoning too, because I was actually out of garlic powder, so I decided, why not? I'll just throw that in. So I will see you soon. And here we are with our finished product. The one thing I did forget is because I doubled up on everything, the extra volume means that I needed to cook it for longer. So instead of cooking it for 3 hours on high, I needed to cook it for more like 5 or 6. It's kind of hard to guess, but just to be safe, I ate some of the meatballs earlier and I don't know if they were cooked all the way, so if I die, I die. And here we are with our new version. Feel free to try this one out. I think it smells pretty awesome. I can't wait to have all these balls in my mouth. Okay, so the gruyere was pretty good as a topping, but I'm not really sure if smoked gouda is a good thing for stuffing them. It was kind of weird, honestly, so I don't know if I would do that again. Also, the Hunt's seasoned tomato thingies leave kind of a smoky flavor in the sauce, which depending on what you're going for, it could be good or it could be kind of weird. So that just depends on what you're into. But yeah, that's what I get for experimenting. So feel free to try modifying stuff yourself. And thanks for joining me.